All right, trade recap video that we got going on here. Let me cover the trade real quick, and then we'll go into what I'm looking at in today. So today I did hit a one. Today I did hit a 1 to 5, and essentially I saw a breakout and a retest. Okay, and what y'all are probably asking, like, breakout and retest. Let me kind of explain what we say here. So I'm watching price action here on like 5 minute here. We get two good candles moving upwards. So I'm like, okay, so there gotta be some good buying opportunity here. Cause I mean we just touched like 98,000 down on Bitcoin. So a lot of Bitcoin got sold off, and I'm thinking like that's looking kind of crazy. I feel like there's a big move coming. And what do I see here? I see 1, 2, 3. So I'm like, dang, that's a lot of buying. That's a lot of buying pressure right here. And then I did have a fair value gap indicator on, and I don't condone using this one. If y'all want to, y'all can. So I did use a fair value gap indicator. So I low-key saw a lot of buying pressure in. And then obviously we got some consolidation on 5 minute happening. And then a fair value gap opened and 5 minute confirmation with this candle. And then a fair value gap box appeared. And I was like, okay, great buying opportunity right there. I entered for, I low-key entered for a 1 to 3. And I kind of used a trailing stop loss. I did buy with two lot sizes, so um this video will probably be titled how I made. Hold on, let me check on how much I made here, and I'm obviously gonna put the picture up and everything, so y'all can see how much I made on this one. But it's low key crazy on how much I made. This was today. Yeah, this was today. Okay, I made $4,612. So yeah, I hit a 1 to 5. Typically, I only use like 1 to 3 or 1 to 4. I barely ever get those 1 to 5s, and today was just the day that I caught I caught a I caught a I caught my plan was executed perfectly. My plan was literally executed perfectly, and yeah. So and then I did use a trailing stop loss as well. So today was Loki, one of my best training days, Loki ever. Made 4.6K in like an hour, Loki. So it's pretty crazy, and yeah. So great training day for today. Let's kind of move on what else I'm looking at. So y'all, I can help y'all out. See, this video is probably gonna be titled probably my best trading day ever, and then also with news. So since my strategy works, and I don't low-key harp on strategies a lot, like I literally just executed off of a fair value gap indicator, which I know a lot of people don't like indicators, but I barely started implementing the fair value gap indicator, because I do watch a really good crypto guy. Still look, you need to know his name. So um I was just looking at like different time frames, and I just saw a fair value gap kind of got made here, box got made, and I was just like, let's enter here. And I saw how low price on Bitcoin was, so I know there's a lot of people selling off their Bitcoin and then people buying their Bitcoin back. So that kind of happened, and I saw a fair value gap kind of got made as of right here, bought in at the bottom of this candle, and then obviously sold at the top end. And yeah, executed my pretty much strategy picture perfect. And I hope y'all guys do that too. This is not to flex, but um, my strategy works, and I don't really harp on strategies that much if y'all like watch my videos a lot. So let's continue. Let's get into today. So moving on, we got this high time frame draw on liquidity, high time frame draw on liquidity, low time frame draw on liquidity. Gap got made here. Fair value gap got made right here. And then we obviously have a bearish SMT. It's wanting to come from them lows. And I'm just kind of looking at this, and also um, looking at these two draws on liquidity right here. and pretty much I'm gonna make my move if that one gets broken, and if this one gets broken. And I'm looking for a 5-minute candle closure under one of these, and then basically seeing how price reacts to these price ranges right here, because it didn't go any lower after this got made, so that's leading me to believe that there is like buy orders right here on the blockchain. And then if this gets broken, then obviously I'm targeting to the upside here, because I mean there's just a lot of liquidity lying in here, like I said yesterday, and a lot of liquidity lying in here. So I'm just looking at that. That's pretty much all I got for Bitcoin here, keeping it short, sweet, and simple. And I know y'all guys kind of like me to go in depth here, but I mean, that's as simple as it gets, really. 15-minute draw on liquidity, 15-minute draw on liquidity. But just looking at like low highs and lows, at bullish and bearish SMTs here. We got a bearish SMT made, liquidity lying in here, liquidity lying in here. So, just looking at what I got here, and that's pretty much it. Let's move on to futures here. Um, I didn't have any of those get marked out. Let's get London lows marked out. Let's get London highs marked out. So let's also look on here. I don't think we had any news today, but I will look, because I don't know. All right, let's see if we have news today. Today is the 5th. We had a PMI today. Okay, so that's good to know. Sell off, and then we recovered. That's essentially what I'm looking at here. Draw liquidity right here. You gotta watch on that too. We broke London lows. We made new lows, kind of here. Draw liquidity here. I think we're looking for longs here. So my prediction: London falls, New York reversal. That's pretty much my prediction here. We already had a sell off. We already had a recovery. They probably want to sweep these low time frame liquidity here, and then probably rally. Because I mean, we have, like, I keep speaking on these high time frame draws and liquidity here. I mean, they're literally stacked up, and I don't understand why markets don't just want to come grab them. Like, they're just stacked up. So liquidity lying in here. See, exactly what I'm saying. It's probably going to take out this and then move and then rally even higher. So that's pretty much it when it comes to markets here. And I hope y'all learned a lot from this trade that I took here. Hopefully I explained it pretty well. So, I mean, unless y'all want me to like re-go over it, because since I know this was like a pretty huge trade, it was probably one of my best trading days on here. So like I said, I kind of like entered here, and then I was just pretty much watching market, and then market just gave me an opportunity here. Markets will give you opportunity when you pretty much kind of least expect it, literally. And I just hope y'all like watch my videos, and I'm low-key like kind of teaching this as pretty much as best as I can here. And I really hope y'all. That's what happens when y'all stick to y'all's trading plan. Y'all catch good trades like this, and y'all probably like asking like, why does my strategy not work? And it's probably not your strategy. It's probably like your execution. Seriously, like in your entries, like focus on your entry models so you can get trades like that. And that's pretty much kind of like all I have for y'all for today. And I really hope y'all take a lot to learn from my videos here. I try to explain them as best as I possibly can, because I have a burning passion to make videos, trade, and low-key, I feel like I want to really live, in a sense, the trader lifestyle. Kind of sit here, make videos for y'all guys, and y'all can pretty much see the video. I'm making this video at almost like 12 o'clock in the morning. Literally just got off work, showered, sat on the charts, watched for PA, recap my trade that I had on my phone today, and that's pretty much the trader lifestyle that I have always imagined. And hopefully I can just sit here drop knowledge for y'all, drop the sauce, and hope y'all can learn something. So that's lucky all I have for y'all for today, and I love each and every y'all that stopped by. I hope y'all drop a like, subscribe, because I'm gonna keep coming at y'all with this content. Seriously, like I am like seriously dedicated, burning passion, literally tunnel vision on this. And probably after this video, I'm probably gonna go back test and try to add something, try my strategy, and I'm probably gonna try to like add order blocks and kind of breaker blocks and see how I can implement them. And I know TJR kind of took them out, but if it works on my strategy, it works. Like I hope y'all like learn to like mix and match strategies, cause that's kind of low key what I do. I take a little bit of ICT, I take a little bit of TJR, I take a little bit of the crypto traders that I watch here and them, and I implement them, back test them, implement them, and um, that's kind of how I kind of move, kind of how I flow. So that's kind of how all I have for y'all today. I love y'all. Take care.